Hi and welcome to our next VGA tutorial. Hi, my name is Van Allen. I'm a developer at VGA, flagship site of smtvs.com. Okay, well, I've been doing a lot of tutorial on music, and so not pay attention to all the developments and other tools that are available from VG. And we pride ourselves in saying, okay, we are creating new different types of CMS. Okay, to get the ball rolling real fast. First of all, I already loaded the page property. And so we're just going to start pulling out the page property and like getting together, right? And show some stuff what's going on. I was playing around with the editor before, so I'm going to go back a little bit and move this across here. All right. And I'm pointing out in these areas the author and keywords and even the links as far as color and background and all that is still blank. And I was playing around with the DIP. Okay, so let me click up back and see, so that's cleaned up, right? All right, so we're actually gonna generate a real fresh HTML. So it's really clean right there. Take away all that stuff we was really using there, playing around. Okay, now let's surf over here and try to get a tool in the view of the camera. And we'll say, all right, we're gonna fill out the form for the page property that's gonna be generated into the page itself. So basically, like meta file for the search engine and certain things like that. Okay, get it going real fast. So we'll say, okay, let's make this my page. Okay, I'll really jump down here, and all this stuff is pretty much set already. Okay, don't have to really reset them, but we'll choose a color, and of course you can set language, job, chapter, and stuff like that. We'll pick up this color right here, and then you can also load an image. With this point, we are not loading a background image. Margin, the margin already set to 0, so we'll leave it there. And we'll go and do a little color for the links, and we get a little bright color there for our link, and for our visitor link, we choose another color, and for our active link, we'll try to make that red. Okay, we'll choose this color right here for our text. Should be white. We'll choose a font, right? We'll choose a size for our text. And we'll say we are done here, so we'll skip over to the meta file and the author of the file. Okay, that's me then, okay? Okay, and well, keyword just for test with us. It's a new page. Okay, everything right there. We should just go ahead and copy that stuff in because to make it go faster. Okay, description, and go in the category, and we'll click back, and we'll say okay, fine. And then we'll press the little generator buttons, and everything fills out right there. Cool. That's pretty cool. So we covered filling out our form for Metafile for actually doing okay for search engine. So we're gonna try to run through the stuff right here. This got a tool here. You can create a flash player. You can create a window player. let's jump to, we got a HTML5 generator embedded in there too. You can create HTML5 audio or video players. Okay. And we'll move on a little bit, and we'll basically show you that's a start sheet. Okay. Now, I'm not going to inject some of this stuff, but actually going to roll over it, and that's a div, right? And JavaScript. Another neat little tool that I can show you. Great. It's a farm tool. So let's go and try to say, okay, let's pick something that we can make come up real fast, and we will choose an email form, and we'll generate this form right here, and we'll close the window. To show you that the form works, we do a quick thing, go here and choose a template, and template is injected in the body of the page, and we'll generate it, and then we'll click over it. And all right, and there is your form. And notice around the bottom right here, and these areas, and the text is white because I had choose white text. Okay, simple like that. Okay, I can go and try to get this tool up, and said, okay, the text we had there is white, and we really not working with white on this template, so let's try to choose black, and close it out, and we'll actually tell the page to generate that in it, right? And we'll go back and examine everything, and you see now the text is black. Okay, so that's basically also giving you a quick look at working with the templates at the same time, and at the same time, you know, you can go back and you can alter the codes yourself. Okay, so a quick run through on that right there to show you in the ways that you can create a real fast, quick template with VG Editor, right? Okay, back to doing some stuff like from scratch, you know. Okay, we have a right here. You can click in, as you can see, right? If you want to do a PHP, you can go ahead and have the starter right here. A lot of stuff that's right here, page property, and we have a text box, so you can actually go here. We had some text in there before, yes, and we set a few things, and so we'll inject it, and we'll go back and do this, and we'll click over, and we show you have the background color still, right? That we set up, but now the text that we set in the text box is actually red. Okay? In fact, if I open the code and looked at the source code, right, and simply find some place where I can say, now, and click on now, we should find it there. It's in black, right? It's right here in black because we are controlling the color of the text here. Okay, and we can set the size, and we can also set the position of this text in the position because it's our built-in div routing inside it, so therefore you can set it. Yeah, and we'll click back here a little bit, and so you can see what happened, and we'll say, okay, you can do a table, okay, and sure, you can do like an image. We have an image dialog there too, and you can do like buttons. Okay, let's run through this one real fast. It's like a little neat one right here. We'll go, let's choose about button, all right, yeah. And we're not gonna add the alternate and all that other stuff, and where is all that? We're just gonna inject up one button. So we'll bring it up, and we should have it someplace here in the file, if I'm not looking right. Okay, now, I don't think we generated it at all. So let's generate, and so we could see our button come up. There we go, right? So also again, if we need to, like, let's say, do something with this page right here. So we can see this button was made for an actual white background. So we can do a white background, can it? Yeah, we can do that. We can do a white background. And we can go back and we'll ask to regenerate and we'll ask to show us what's going on. And you can see it's all about building, right? Okay. And let's go back and we'll clear all this stuff out here. All right? Done with that. Okay. Moving on, we show you the farm and surface. We can show you anchors and links, right? And then you have bold, italic, underscore, a lot of stuff, okay. Underline, I'm getting mixed up here, but it's just, the thing is real. Left or right or center, a number list or a bullet list, right? Paragraph and also a break, a line. Okay, so that's most of the tool that's different from printing and also a preview, live preview to see what's on the web. As we go along here, I was doing this to show you, we made the page white, cool. And let's go back into the body of the page, and the body of the page is real clean. So I want to bring the div property field back up and do some adjustments here. And I looked at the size. From the top this is 500, and I don't want this one to be 500 because I'm going to inject this right here. And approximately the 0 at the top, from the left, 0 and left, and from the top, right. The width actually is 700, yeah, okay. The height will make about like a 50, all right. It's almost like designing a template. Okay, so I did some stuff by setting the pixels and setting size of text and then choose text font and stuff like that. Did the border color left and right and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna like do some little intricate stuff. All right, let's grab something that should have a color. I think it's the layer. Okay, and we should generate. Yeah, so as we do the following up on what we was doing earlier, yeah, so I generated as you can see the div here, so code is here, right here, and okay, and so we use the layer. Okay, let's see a few things, what's going on here. On the div, we have a div with style, div and class, and div, ID and class, and div layer. And who most of the program work with div know that, they know what the layer is, div layer. Yeah. So then we have div with URL image and div with fonts. So basically, but we want to show you the one with the image so you can get a nice little idea. Okay, so I had took some time and I put the URL of an image in the field, and now I'm going to inject it into the body of the page. And let's move the dialogue a little bit over. And we did our injection there, right? And we should like generate it and go back over and take a good look at what we did. And let's close out also the dialogue for a moment. Now, great, huh? So you see, already this is like a website. Now, as I said before, with text being in the page, and let's for a moment try to like change up the color of the text too, since we are talking about text. And jump back to the stuff and say our text need to be white now, so we'll make a white text to show up better on some of the things that we're doing. Okay, and we'll close back, and we'll definitely change the color there and come up right. And as you can see, basically. And now, even that top end over there is like the color. Oh wow, the color is a yellowish color. Let's give it something a little less, or maybe a little darker. Let's do this then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we'll actually generate it. See what I did. Just choosing color by random, right? Okay. So, as you can see, so you're making a nice little one site, right? That's it. Now you can use the links, move them around in the pages, put links here on the page. You know what I mean? You can put links here, as I demonstrated earlier with the buttons. And also, we have anchors and links there that can be placed various part of the page. So, all in a nutshell, there you go, we created a page. Okay? So, the editor is much more than what you are seeing right here. We can create a lot of things, from video pages, audio pages, PHP program, Java. You can do whatever you want to do in this editor and basically save it, as long as you, the developer, have the knowledge to write and understand the codes. This is a great little tool for you. Okay? And it's still in the beta form and soon be released in the 16th, you know, so we're not rushing it. I have some more stuff to do to make it look more wicked and better, right? Planning on introducing live edit, so when you click over now, you can still edit it, but you can click back to the code, vice versa. I gotta do some study on the CK thing for a while. Anyway, as we are here talking about our VG tools, let's click over here and jump on some nice stuff. Okay, well, that's a little snapshot of some work I'm doing for a client anyway. That's how the thing goes sometimes. You have to do some work and put it out there for other people. And during the time that I was doing that, I sort of like created this little small content management system to basically content management this website right here. Okay? And we'll show you a few little small things about it. I'm going to go and clean out this area right here. Well, I'm not going to mess with this one because this one is connected to a website, and you don't really want to mess around too much. So we'll skip over to one that's on my desktop and remove this little code right here and clean it up real fast. Okay, it's a VG editor again, and we'll try to like said okay, this represents the audio file. Okay, so we say .mp3, and we'll click that and access again for an image. So since there's like an image thing there, that will be represented as our Tumblr image. Okay, fine. And we'll come back here and alternate, okay, and ask for a description for a song. So I'm going to look at my desktop and see what I can find here. Oh, yeah. Let me stop a little thing, just sort of like put in a description to just have something there, you know. All right. And we'll save all of that. Let's review that for a moment. Look pretty good, right? So what this represents is here would be a picture. And this is the actual audio player. And this is actually a description. Okay? real, right? Okay, so that's how I've developed this editor so it can be used in a wide range of application, and even in iMusic where the artist should use this to go ahead and create pages for the discographies. And we all said, we have an HTML5 that'll do pretty much something like that, where we can like sort of, I guess, you know what I mean? Whatever. And it picks up everything, the access stuff, and we all said okay. So it's pretty much should be there, but okay, there it is. So this will represent a video player. That will be also inside the code. Let's reload this stuff and clean it up. Jumping real fast. We have like more, italic, underline, bold, lines, justify, right and left and center, list, also links. Okay, this one right here is to do a gallery list, and a special gallery that I've built inside the software, and this actually takes all the information and create another list here for gallery. And here is just basically the image, just the same way for the images. Okay, and the front I'm not yet embedded, but we did the front. We'll show you in another piece. Okay, so create real cool. You can view all that stuff I just did right there and pretty much do what you want. And let's clean the page. Okay, let's jump back a step to an earlier version that will be incorporated into the one that you're seeing. And that version there doesn't really carry custom dialogues, but this one carries custom dialogues. So there's one without a custom dialogue, and I will show you the custom dialogue. It's right here, and that's audio custom dialogue. And then we're gonna get a video dialogue going, and then, oh yes, when I said the front, you can do a front text and stuff dialogue. We'll wind up here, and you see all the stuff piling up down the bottom. We'll go and we'll do an anchor, right? So the anchor should be piling up down here too, right? Right, true. All right, and we'll move over and we'll strike a list, right? And this list right here builds a list for, okay, this is dialogue. I made this dialogue because I made iMusic on video and audio player, and this little dialog box builds the list for them, and you can go and choose the image for the video or the audio to represent, and go ahead, description there, and the name of the image inserted in. It'll build a bunch of that, put it in a page, and you can call the player by ID. So you notice we have an ID right there. Once the user's in the administration, and he used the ID finder to find the ID of a song in the system, and then writes to it to call on a page to make a custom list. Okay, so pretty much we like run through all of that stuff right there. Okay, and we all went through that on our editor over there where we did the list stuff and all that kind of thing right there. So there you go. These are all the dialog boxes that's going to be really there. And here is actually, so you can look at the dialog boxes right here, okay? And then you can look at the editor right here and say, okay, oh, when you start clicking on the new one, it's going to bring up dialog boxes. This one is still available. I like it because it has like the Java boxes, okay? So blessed, thanks viewing and watching VG Tutorer on CMS from VGA.smtvs.com. So I'm Barnard Allen. I'm always going to bring you more stuff in the future. I will be showing you how to build and make content management system like these. Okay? So that is coming in the future. I will be giving some class and showing you how to build it up from scratch and get everything going, blow it out really big. So thanks to all the viewers that are supporting the iMusic genre as it's growing. I see that. My Facebook thing is just blowing over. And on my Twitter, I'm getting real good comebacks on my Twitter too. So hey, that's cool. So iMusic is a thing. Everybody's looking out and waiting. And as you see me develop other tools, all these other tools that I'm developing will be incorporated into iMusic. So it's going to be a beautiful thing, right? So I'm blessed to all the people out there. Okay.